There's a version of you that never had to think about this. You were present, reliable, fully there. And somewhere along the way, something shifted. Not suddenly, just quietly. A little less natural than it used to be. A little more effort than you'd like. Most men don't talk about it, but most men feel it. Many men turn to pharmaceutical solutions. And they work. Sometimes. But here's what rarely gets mentioned. Those medications don't restore anything. They override your body's systems everywhere at once. Your face, your head, your sinuses. You get blood flow where you don't need it, alongside obvious side effects that are hard to miss. And the underlying issue? It keeps progressing. Intimate performance is fundamentally a vascular conversation. Nitric oxide, blood vessel responsiveness, localized circulation. These are the mechanisms that made everything effortless at 25. Research suggests nitric oxide levels in men may decline significantly from their 30s onward. That's not a mindset issue, that's biology. ANF care, intimate performance, uses 2 frequency-charged amplifiers applied locally to support the exact systems involved in natural intimate function. One frequency program is focused on localized blood flow support. The other targets nitric oxide pathway activity, the same Nobel Prize-recognized mechanism that governs vascular response. The difference is precision. This is not a systemic intervention. It works where it needs to work, and only there. No flushed face, no planning around a 30-minute window, no visible signs. Just your body, supported to do what it already knows how to do. Users report a noticeable shift in how naturally and reliably they respond. Spontaneous, confident, no side effects. You don't have to override your biology to perform. You just need to support it. ANF care, intimate performance. 2 amplifiers, localized support, natural response. Your body, your performance.